Greeting from Boracay. Nakapag-ayos na si Inday, buntis niyo. Oh, para fresh naman tayo. Kasi kahapon mukha tayong ewan, Zay.
Morning, everyone. I've already had my breakfast. Joanna is waking up a bit later, so she's going to have a breakfast now, and I will be her bodyguard.
Late nga ako nagigising kasi nga lagi na ako nagigising sa madaling araw kasi umiihi. Alam niyo naman yung pagbuntis. So it's like twice na ako nagigising sa madaling araw kasi kailangan kong umihi, Zay. Anyway, sasamahan pa din ako ni Franco mag-breakfast. So we're going to have our first breakfast in Boracay, baby. Mamaya may bisita tayo. We have visitor later, no?
Really? Oh, yeah.
Kristen, yeah, she's coming.
Yeah, we have visitor, yeah.
So, and then later, mag-check out kami dito kasi we only booked here one night. Why did we book here one night only?
It's so busy. Nothing's free. This place, there is no extra availability for the next 2 days, so we have to find somewhere else later.
Oo, actually, mahirap mag-book ngayon dito sa Boracay kasi halos lahat ng hotel fully booked. So, dito sa Fairways, parang one night lang yung available since kahapon, and then hindi na pwede mag-extend kasi fully booked nga sila. So, later we have to move another hotel. Okay lang naman sa akin kasi hindi naman ako yung nagbubuhat. Franco is going to lift a lot of luggages later.
And lift a lot of weights again. Went to the gym yesterday.
Yeah, nag-gym yan. As usual. Tara, mag-breakfast tayo para mag-start na tayo ng ating day dito sa Boracay, baby. With my baby girl. Itong dress na to, nabili ko lang din to kagabi. Hala, what did you do here, Bob?
The food from yesterday.
Hala ka. Maybe you have to pay for that. Change tayo ng hairstyle. Mainit pala, Zay. Kailangan na magtali. Here's the ambience dito. Where's the breakfast, my love? Oh, it's just right here. Oh, a lot of people, no?
Guys, we're here at breakfast, and as you see, we have a band playing in the background, which is quite nice. And Joanna is getting her breakfast now. As you see, guys, very busy today. I came down here a bit earlier and it was even more busy. And we have a nice selection here. We've got some rice, egg, wedges, chicken, French toast right at the end there. What are you getting, dear? Rice. It's a nice, pleasant, some nice music here while you have breakfast. Are you eating for two or eating for one? Mainit, no? Mainit. You want to get some fruits? I'll get it for you later then. Press it down.
Dito na kami sa aming other hotel. So, sobrang chaos kasi sobrang busy ngayon sa Boracay. And nag-check-in kami dito sa Crimson Boracay.
Just Fairways is just too much.
Too busy.
So many people.
Yeah.
And it's so much chaos to get around. So you're waiting literally for, if you want to go to the outside of the hotel, you need to wait 20 minutes for a shuttle.
Yeah.
You go outside the hotel, then you get tricycles in the main centre. You come back, you have to wait another 20 minutes when you arrive to go back to the resort.
And I think Crimson is good for me na I'm pregnant. So it's more relaxed, chill here.
Yeah, more relaxed for Joanna.
Ngayon lang ako nakapag 5-star dahil kasi buntis ako. If I'm not buntis, Franco will not book 5-star.
The thing is, you don't even You don't even need to go out of this hotel, really.
Yeah, you have everything.
Everything's
Yeah.
here.
Parang hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng main beach. Ayan, here's the view here. Show them love.
Let me show you. Okay, we're going inside. We just got a table at the cafe. So now to get some lunch. Thank you, Bart. Nice AC, right? So you can either choose to sit outside or inside, and we're sitting inside. So very, very nice rest though, isn't it?
So ayan, ito yung menu nila dito. We're here at Azure. 750. Ang mahal, ha? Where's my phone, Papsi?
Has arrived. What did you order, dear?
Chicken biryani with rice.
So chicken biryani with rice. Oh, actually looks quite nice. I like that. Actually, guys, this is not going to be a surprise anymore. Joanna finishes this dish because she eats more than me now. It's official, and I'm actually being serious. So here she goes.
Oh, this is quite hot.
It's hot. Chicken biryani is not spicy, is it?
Sometimes it's spicy. It's Indian food.
Yeah. And I got my mango shake, guys, here. So I ordered the what was it? Octopus. Is it octopus?
Squid.
Squid. Yeah, sorry, the squid. I ordered the squid, which is I think it was like 1 kilo. So 1 kilo of squid.
Ayan na yung squid ni Dong Franco. Wow. Oh, there's quite a lot.
And it's the Chinese vegetable.
Nice. Thank you po. Nice. Can the buntis eat that? As well, Bob? Search daw?
No, she cannot. I googled it earlier. You cannot eat that. You have your own food.
Try it out, try it.
Well, that's nice, you know. That's teriyaki sauce, by the way.
Yeah. Sarap? Is it good?
I got this grill because we've been having too much oily food recently.
Grill. Bob. Ayan, finally naka-check-in na kami. Merong bag na crimson, tapos merong hat. Yee! I'm gonna wear this one. Nice, no? It's very nice. Grabe, ang ganda. Worth it yung 5-star dye. Merong bathtub. I will try to use that. Salamin dito. Busog kami ni baby. Ayan. Another salamin. Nice, no?
Very nice.
Very clean. Ano meron dito? May balcony ba to? Ay, merong balcony. We have balcony. But I don't know how to go there. Ang ganda ng room. Very cozy and clean. Itatry natin tong... Sabi ko ba kay Franco kayo nabibili ako ng hat. But now I don't need a hat. Kasi may libre. Pack. Suotin natin ito mamaya. Ha?
You don't need a hat.
Yeah, I told you earlier I want to buy one.
bed here.
Oh, Christine.
You can fit there.
Yeah.
So guys, actually I'm just on the way now to the mall because I need to buy some sunblock. And I just got one of these they call them e-tricycles now because they're electric. So they phased out all the petrol gas operated tricycles. So just on the tricycle now. See, very good bumpy ride. And you can pick these tricycles up from the street here. So it's not too difficult. He's charging me around 200 pesos. So not bad, but expensive. here at the Robinsons Mall. I didn't know they had a Robinsons here. I'm not sure if this is a new mall or if this has been here for a long time and I just didn't know about it. I'm going to go inside now and take a look. Hopefully they got some sunscreen because otherwise I will get burnt. Mercury drug here, which is a good thing. So here I should be able to pick up some sunblock. So let's go inside. Hey Koya, you have a sunscreen?
Below.
Only 40 SPF and 50?
50? Yeah. They got 50, so I'm going to buy 50 sunblock because anything less and I will burn. And I've burnt a lot before. Don't want that to happen again. Bello.
Bello.
Okay.
This one.
Oh, this one. How much is the Bello out there?
I will check. But this is lesser, 35 SPF only.
Okay, 35. This is 50. This is 50, right?
That's
Okay.
50.
So 50 here, and it's got whitening as well. So as you sunbathe, it's meant to turn you whiter. That's a big thing here in the Philippines. They love the white skin. So yeah, added bonus. So perfect, got my sunscreen. I went for the Bello, which is factor 50, and also got. So I got this one, which is factor 50 for face and body. And I also got some Bello as well with the added whitening. This also is factor 50, and I can also use this in the UK, which is good because I've run out of sunblock. Now guys, I'm going to, actually this mall here as well, it's just recently been opened, they've told me, the last year. So that's the reason I haven't seen this one before. But now guys, I'm going to pick up Christine from her hotel and then bring her back to our place. So I'm just going to flag down tricycle again. Thanks, Leah. So I'm going to have to get one of these e-bikes again. See how much he will charge me to go to the place. Let's check out to see which hotel we are going to. The Canyon Hotels. And I'm going to tell Christine I'm coming to your hotel to collect you now. Where? Canyon Hotels? Canyon? Canyon. Oh, this one. Oh, okay, Salmon. Actually, it's right next to the mall, Robinsons Mall. So no need for an e-bike. He could have charged me actually, I think, and dropped me around the corner, but it's just here, look. So here's the canyon, which is where Christine is staying. So let's go and pick her up. So here we are, we've arrived. Thanks, Kuya. Now time to wait for Christine. Actually, very nice hotel, look. Here's Christine. Hi Christine, how are you?
I'm good.
Good to see you. Say hello to the vlog.
Hi.
Good to see you. Christine, how are you, Christine?
I'm good. God,
The viewers-
nice to see you again.
Yeah, the viewers haven't seen you for a long time.
Yeah. I'm so happy to be part of this vlog.
So last time Christine was on the vlog, I think was the wedding.
Yes.
So maybe 1.5 years. Oh, it goes too fast, no?
Yeah.
So how have you been? What's been keeping you busy?
Well, I'm busy studying.
Studying?
Yes.
My boyfriend ka na?
I don't have a boyfriend.
Wala! Walang boyfriend! So today guys, we're on the hunt to find Christine a boyfriend in Boracay.
Time for beach! Hi loves! Ayan, finally, andito na si Christine. May kasama na kami mag-beach. So, dito lang kami mag-beach sa Crimson. Kasi dun sa main beach, sobrang daming tao kahapon nung pumunta kami, diba? But did you check?
Which one?
The beach?
The main beach?
Yeah?
No, I didn't bother, it's going to be busy.
Oh, pero mamaya, we're going to have dinner there, right?
Where? The main, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go there.
So magdi-dinner kami tatlo mamaya doon. But mag-chill lang kami ng sunset dito.
I think we need to get bikini, don't we?
Huh?
It's just here.
What? Buggy?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to go to Buggy.
We need to get buggy, isn't it?
Yeah. Ay, mainit pa.
Still very hot. Sobrang...
Laban lang tayo, Jai. Yung sunscreen na nabili ni Franco, parang toothpaste na nilagay lang sa
I think
akin
they scam us, man. I buy this from Mercury Drug. I think they put Colgate in there. Look. Nice stink as well.
As in, laman tsaka. Ganyan na lang. Hindi siya na, ano eh.
Hello. You want some, Christine?
Sige. Dito na kami sa beach. Dito kami mag-chill. Mag-bikini ka na, loves. Ayun yung beach dito. Ha? Tubig?
We're alone and frightened, all we do is lie. Throw away our labor like a piece of paper, gone and won't be found. And ooh, 'cause you were not wrong.